Good afternoon, guys. We have the privilege to ask Trailhawk himself, what's in your bag? Sir Jing, maing hapon?
Oh, may nga po diha. I'm Jing Lavilles de Egurrola, your friendly neighborhood vintage Pinoy Apache, also known as the Trailhawk. So, what's inside my bag? Inside my bag. This is my bag. It's a Silver Knight 55-liter tri-zip opening, tri-zip. It's a veteran of my Camino de Santiago in Spain. This is my workhorse. So what's inside my bag? First of all, these are my patches, the Cebu Highlands Trail, Philippine flag. This is the flag of the Basque country. Yes, what's inside my bag? My hat, my sunglasses, keep there, pot, fuel, alcohol, and butane. In my legendary cup, only one of its kind.
Since day one, Sir Jing.
And I have the Trailhawk. Then I have a emergency. This is a dry bag. This is which I always use for emergency as a water container.
Nice. Guys, paminaw dyan man ni Sir Jing, guys.
Then I have this food stuff, rain cover from Nomad, t-shirts, more t-shirts, my biscuit, Chinese, made in China. I use it to cook my food. Then I have here a dry bag which contains my electronic devices, power bank, backup phone, this food, eggplant, survival, emergency food. Emergency food is
a container dyan, guys.
Coffee, tea, cereal. So I have here condiments, sugar, a little salt. I have my lights.
Lightsaber.
Here, O-light is another made in China generic light, and then pit cell headlamp, small, and I have another light, another kind of light. Light my fire, light my cigarette. No, I don't smoke. I don't smoke. Okay, yes, here. My burner, stove, wood stove, alcohol stove. It has also my pot, so I could cook my rice here. This one, and the burner is here. Another. It's called the solo stove. Solo stove. One is here.
Wooden acid, eh?
I could use fuels, wood or alcohol. So here, here. The extra lighter, my pot, and more clothes.
Bro, katulo naman siguro ng pouch charging sa clothes.
This for the
Ay, ito na, lupad na. Sige, balikan
it's
ko na.
okay, it's okay. It's for house clothes.
Ah, okay.
This one's cords, hang organizer inside here. Cords, mga PC ropes, hang organizer. This hang organizer by Think Outside.
Think outside.
I just hang this. Then I have a organizer. Put some things here. Put the bottle here. So I hang it
lagi, no?
from Think Outside. And I have cords, lots of cords for emergency. Cords. Instead of ropes, I carry cords. Cords.
Mas efficient ang cord charging kasi rope.
Yes, much light, very light. Then emergency baby, emergency sleeping bag.
Okay. Lumaya charging, no?
Yeah, emergency. So it stores your heat.
Body heat.
Stores your heat back. This is my first aid kit, so my survival kit. So it's wrapped with plastic and dry bags, another more plastic. Yeah. So it's first aid kit. So it's
Mahirap dyan na ibinto mga plastic charging. Gamit kayo.
recycle,
Waterproofing.
repurpose.
Yeah, repurpose, oh.
Repurpose
Mga plastic
of plastic,
surging,
especially non-biodegradable plastic.
Klaro kayo, kani sa kuan man siya, di ba charging? Asa nga plastic?
Yes. Then I have a hammock. May hammock. I have the hammock.
Diha din magibot ang charging.
Hammock. Then I have your patches.
Ooh, patches.
Slippers.
Oh, Julie's Bake Shop dyan na. Recycled plastics dyan, oh.
Yeah.
Bito, no?
Slippers. Yeah.
Kaya ang slice bridge surging, ka-size na dyan sa plastic slippers, no? Guys, natin na-learn na.
Then I
Reused
have
plastics dyan.
pegs, aluminum pegs. So they're all veterans. Then I have cheap laminated sheet, laminated nylon sheet. So
O sige, gamit na surging.
for ground sheet.
Ground sheet, okay.
Something to put your things. Then you have the tarpaulin, my overhead sheet.
Asa surging?
This one. Tarpaulin. Then I have the sitting pad. Seat pad. Here. Got my grooming. My grooming. Bath. And I have
Una yung sekreto sa rockstar surging, no? Rockstar look! Well, I mean, si Silver Riley.
this is my folding hangers.
Dapat ito nga suggest ni JC da.
Folding hangers, yes.
Okay.
To dry my
Clothes, t-shirts.
Comb.
Diin ka na ang kuan surging folding hanger.
Actually, Shopee, Lazada.
Shopee, okay.
Then
Lazada.
another knife. Mora Galberg.
Unsa na surging?
My towel.
Ha? Kagamay?
Fiber.
Okay.
Fiber.
Fiber towel.
Okay. I took care of my hair. Then it's
Beatrice,
for
shout
men.
out guys.
And this for mental, for massage.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it, surging?
Yeah, that's it.
Wow. Tagana eh.
Oh,
What did we learn, guys?
bottle. See inside? My water bottle here. And
Hydration.
here, my alcohol.
Yeah,
my,
to fuel, ano eh?
my alcohol. then my reading glasses. That's it.
Thank you, Sir Jing.
Welcome. So,
I hope natin na learn. Reuse plastic dyan.
yeah,
Grabe.
repurpose the plastic.
Yeah, kuha efficiently arrange the stuff. Thanks, Sir Jing.